So, hello to all my kids. After a long time, in between, I could not prepare anything for you. I am extremely sorry. But hoping that you all must have started going to school also. So, enjoying your school as well. The previous video that I gave you, I prepared for you, that was for mean. Now the second topic that I am going to cover is median. Median is the middlemost value of the data. To calculate median, the process is entirely different from mean. First of all, we will learn how to calculate median for discrete data. Discrete data means random values are given, say 4, 7, 9, 10, 12, 6 and again say 5. These are the data given in this form is known as discrete data. Children, the first step towards learning median is whatever data, discrete data is given to you, just convert it into, either arrange it into in ascending order and then we will proceed for the next step. So let's perform the first step, arrange data. So our arranged data would be 4, I am arranging in ascending order, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10 and 12. Now we will count how many observations do we have. That is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of observation is, we represent number of observation by n. So number of observations are 7, which is an odd number. Now depending upon number of observation, odd and even, we have different formulae. So first let us discuss for odd one. For odd, it is median is equals to value of n plus 1 whole over 2 2th term. Children, we will write again value of, put the value of n, 7 plus 1 by 2th term, that is value of 8 by 2th term, which means value of 4th term, but this 4th term we will find in arranged data. Whatever is the value of 4th term in arranged data, that will be the median. So median in this case, first, second, third, fourth is 7. Therefore median for this case is 7. So this is how we calculate when our observations are odd in number. Now coming to the second case, when our number of observations are even in number. So take random observations 6, 5, 8, 13, 12, 9, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and say 10. Again your first step towards the working would be arranging this data in ascending order. So let us arrange the data in ascending order. So your arranged data would be 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 and 13. Now Number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is an even number. Which is an even number. So now you will have different formula for this. So median is equals to, children, once you have to memorize the formula, then it will be no problem. 1 upon 2 into value of n by 2th term plus value of n by 2 plus 1th term. If you look at the formula, what I have written, half into value of n by 2th term plus n by 2. This 2 is specifically below n. It is nothing with 1. It is n by 2 plus 1th term. Now let us put the value. It is half into value of 8 by 2th term plus value of 8 by 2 plus 1th term. This becomes your half of value of 4th term plus value of 5th term. Children, it will always come. Whatever comes the first one, its successor will come over here. This is the easiest way to learn this. If I am getting 4 over here, value of 4th term, then it is value of 5th term. If it is 6th term, then it is 7th term, like this. So, we go for it. What is the value of your 4th term? We will look in arranged data. 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 8, and 5th term is 9. 8 plus 9. That is half into 17. That is 8.5. So median is equals to 8.5. It doesn't mean that you will always get median among the values that are given to you. You may get different value also. The only thing is you have to be very clear in your mind that you have to arrange the terms in ascending order. Then you have to check whether the number of observations are even or odd. Depending upon the number of observations, whether it is odd, then you will use the formula median is equals to value of n plus 1 by 2th term. And if it is even, then this is the formula. So I hope this concept is clear. Now here is a question for ungrouped data. How to find the median for this one? This is a table which is given to you. Children, here also you have to keep one thing in your mind, that you have to check the values of xi, whether they are arranged or not. We are not taking care of fi at all. We are taking care of xi, because whenever you are arranging xi, accordingly fi will follow it up. Corresponding fi will follow it up. So let's make a table to calculate the median. So 3 columns would be there, but they will be little different from the mean. This is xi, fi, and now we have CFI, cumulative frequency. What we call as cumulative frequency. Children, you can see these xi's are not arranged. So let us arrange. Like first comes the 7, as it is the smallest value. So its frequency is 4. We write 4 over here. Next comes 8, whose frequency is 5. Children, these frequencies, corresponding frequencies will automatically change the places as we are arranging the values of xi. Next is 9. So frequency is 1. Then comes 12, whose frequency is 3. Then comes 13, whose frequency is 2. This is our table. Now we add all the frequencies 5, 4, 9, 1, 10, 3, 12, 13, 14, 3, 2, 5, 1, 6, 5, 11, 4, 40, 15. So your sum of frequencies sigma fi, that is n, it is 15. How to write? The new concept is how to write cumulative frequency. To write cumulative frequency, first cumulative frequency is same as your frequency. If here it is 4, now it is 4. Now you add crosswise. 4 plus 5, it gives you 9. 9 plus 1 gives you 10. 10 plus 3 gives you 13. 13 plus 2 gives you 15. Now you can check the sum of frequencies n and last cumulative frequency, they are same. It means your working is correct. Now how to calculate? Again the same question. How to calculate the median for this ungrouped data? To calculate the median, children, nothing to worry. The same pattern we will follow. We will write sigma fi, that is n is equals to, we have done the sum na, 15, which is an odd number. So we will use the formula for calculating median for odd number. So median is equals to value of n plus 1 by 2th term. Now it is value of 15 plus 1 by 2th term. That means value of 8th term. Value of V dot means value of 8th. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 over 2 is 8th term. Fine. Now where to search for this 8th term? So just look in cumulative frequency. Till 4 it comes over here. 5 onwards up till 9 it comes here. And so 8 will come in this part. In this cumulative frequency. Go to this cumulative frequency and come to the observation. So your median is, coincidentally your median is also 8 for this data. Median is also 8 for this data. Children, if you have got even, this sigma fi even, then you would have used the same formula, half into n by 2, value of n by 2th term, plus n plus by 2 plus 1th term, and whatever comes the value of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term, you will search from cumulative frequency and then go to the value of observation, that is xi. From there you have to pick it up. Is that clear? I hope I am able to make you clear with the concept of median. Will definitely meet you soon with another video. Till then, you will practice and take care of yourself. Prepare for your examination. All the best. Thank you, everyone.